how's it going, everybody? I've got this BR400 STIHL leaf blower here. It's got spark, it's got brand new fuel, and I've been pulling on this thing and it will not go. So I'm gonna take a look at the carburetor. Okay, here's the carburetor right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these bolts off. Got this from my chainsaw, and it'll work for this too. Okay, I got all those bolts out, but it looks like this has to come off too, so I'm kind of pulling on it. It looks like it's getting hung up by this. Yep. Heavy off. There's our carburetor here. I'll go ahead and remove the air cleaner. Yep, going ahead and taking all three of those fasteners out. Nothing will come off. I can already see it starting to come loose. There's our carburetor there. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this hose there. Okay, that just pops off there, and that throttle cable came out right there too. So now I have the carburetor all by itself. Went ahead and opened up the choke there too. I'm going to take some of this and just clean the heck out of it. Okay, grab my Phillips screwdriver and loosen these screws up there. Go ahead and pull this off. See what things look like under here. Okay, got that all cleaned out. There's these little ports right there and there. You can take and run stuff down there to clean them out as well. But we'll go ahead and put that back on and take this off. I've already broke the torque with the flathead. Same thing here. Go ahead and squirt this out really good with that carburetor cleaner. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this and then see if it fires up. Connected the fuel line and the throttle cable right there. There's the throttle cable right there. Fuel line is right there.